Alright, so this is going to be part 2 of my 2007 Lightning McQueen C1310 ATV from October of 2007. Sorry if my back scratcher is distracting me. Alright, so, bad news, guys. My phone that I'm recording on only has 3 minutes and 45 seconds of limited, so I gotta do this quick. Alright, so, let me show you around. Again, here's my menu, volume up and downs, channel up and downs, and power. I'm gonna turn this on. There's a cool screen, as you can see right here. Then you got your video and audio ports in. Here's the back of the TV. My CRT. My ear. So, I just done some researching on these wheels right here, hooked up to my VCR. Select language. I'm not going to do that and just shut it off. Alright, so that's it. I wanted to make this video quick. Alright, thanks for watching.